In order to put some perspective on what rising rates mean to all of us, we need to see what impact they have on our monthly budget, because ultimately that's the most important thing, because it's what we're left with at the end of the month or what we have to shell out that matters most to all of us. So I thought I would take a look per $100,000 amortized over 25 years with a 5-year term, what impact 1% increases mean. So if you started with 2% and then your rate went to 3%, that same $100,000 would cost you $50 a month more. Now, if you were to go up another 1% to 4%, you're talking an additional roughly $50 once again. So to put some perspective on that, our rate went from 2 to 4%. So per 100,000, that's $100 per month impact. Now, if your mortgage was $500,000, that's a $500 per month increase in your monthly mortgage payments. Now, while some of you may be able to swing that, others may obviously have difficulty in doing so. But that's not the only thing that changes. The other thing that changes a lot is the spread between interest and principal and how much of each payment goes towards each. What you want to be looking at is if your mortgage was at that magic 2%, 36% of every payment dollar was going to interest. When it jumped to 3%, now we're almost at 49% of every payment dollar going to interest. And at 4%, you're at basically 59% of every payment dollar going to interest. So that's where the sea change is. You're paying more and you're paying less off, which means it's going to take you longer to pay the mortgage in realistic times in comparing to when rates were low. So what that means is that when rates are historically low, that's the time when you want to be really paying down debt aggressively, because as rates rise, it's much harder to do so. Now, hopefully that has shed a little light on things for you to see if you qualify for a mortgage or if things can work in your favor. Give us a shout at the Auxilium team. Auxilium simply means to care, aid, assist, and support. We do that here day in and day out, and we look forward to helping you.